Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Microsoft Photos from the Start menu or taskbar by clicking the app icon. Wait a few seconds while the app scans your library for media. Click Import, then choose from a folder, from a USB device, or from a phone. Select the folder or device you want to import from and pick specific files. Choose a destination folder within Pictures and click Import to copy files into Photos. Let the import finish before closing the app to ensure all files are saved. Use Collections to view photos grouped by date and events automatically. Scroll through moments to quickly scan weeks and months in chronological order. Add important photos to an album by selecting them and clicking Add to Album. Mark favorites with the heart icon to surface images in the Favorites view. Use search with keywords, dates, or people to narrow results in the library. Type a year or a name to jump directly to matching photos in the app. Open a photo and click Edit to access crop, rotate, and basic adjustments. Use exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows sliders to balance the image visually. Apply filters or the Enhance button for quick fixes and stylistic looks. Use retouch and red-eye tools to remove blemishes and fix eyes precisely. Click Save a copy or export to create an edited file and choose JPEG quality or file size. Use Share to send photos through Mail, OneDrive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.